These look soft, but what you're about to see is a process most people never imagine. As morning arrives, the factory stands still for a moment, silent and waiting. Systems are powered on and checked one by one. Before anything starts, cleanliness comes first. The machines begin to move, setting the pace for the day. Equipment warms to the exact conditions required. This factory runs on balanced timing and precision. When everything is ready, the process can begin. And with the factory awake, it's time to start making marshmallows. It all begins with simple ingredients: sugar, gelatin, water, and flavor, measured carefully to keep every marshmallow the same. Sugar forms the foundation of every marshmallow. Everything is organized to avoid mistakes and maintain consistency. Gelatin is prepared carefully, giving marshmallows their structure. This step determines how soft and elastic the final marshmallow will be. Flavor is added subtly, never overpowering. Exact measurements keep every batch identical. Once measured, ingredients are kept sealed and ready. Final checks confirm everything is in place. With ingredients ready, the factory moves on to heating and transformation. The mixture is heated into a smooth syrup. To hot and it breaks down. To cool and it won't whip properly. Here timing matters. The transformation begins with controlled heat. Sugar dissolves slowly, turning into liquid. Temperature is increased gradually to prevent burning. Every degree is carefully monitored. At the right moment, syrup reaches perfect consistency. Gelatin is introduced to give structure and softness. Continuous mixing ensures uniform texture. Continuous mixing ensures uniform texture. The result is a smooth, stable marshmallow base. With the syrup ready, air is about to change everything. This is where marshmallows are born. Air is slowly whipped into the syrup, transforming it into a light, fluffy foam. The process begins inside powerful whipping chambers. The warm syrup flows in smoothly, ready for transformation. Controlled air is introduced, not too much, not too little. Each bubble adds lightness. The mixture slowly turns into soft foam. Gentle folding keeps the structure intact. Machines adjust constantly to maintain perfect fluff. What emerges is light, airy, and perfectly balanced. Now this cloud is ready to become something familiar. The soft mixture is shaped into long, pillowy ropes, smooth, uniform, and endless. The foam moves straight into shaping machines, designed for perfect consistency. Each nozzle controls thickness down to the millimeter. The marshmallow stretches effortlessly, staying soft and stable. This texture comes from perfectly balanced air and syrup. Every strand moves in perfect rhythm. Guides keep each line separate and uniform. Speed is adjusted in real time to maintain shape. This is softness with structure. Next, these endless ropes will become individual marshmallows. As the marshmallows cool, their structure sets. This step locks in that signature softness people love. The freshly shaped marshmallows now enter cooling tunnels. Temperature and airflow are carefully controlled. Not too firm. Never too soft. This bounce is what people love. Even small changes are automatically corrected. Now they're ready for the final transformation. The marshmallows are cut, lightly coated to prevent sticking, and checked for quality. Only perfect pieces move forward. Precision cutting is the next step. Every cut is timed down to milliseconds. Soft yet perfectly formed. A thin coating keeps each piece from sticking. Just enough to never too much. Every surface stays clean and dry. Human eyes still play a critical role. Only the best move on. Now they're ready to be sealed and shipped. The finished marshmallows move toward their final destination. Handled gently to preserve their softness. Freshness sealed and airlocked perfectly inside. Each bag protects the texture people love. Packed carefully, one layer at a time. Thousands prepared to leave the factory. And then everything slows down. Light, soft, familiar. Soft, familiar. From sugar and air to something soft and familiar. This factory creates comfort.